Hi guys, today's topic would be Canadian immigration and what sort of colleges they have, what sort of education institutions they have in Canada, and the procedures to get a student visa and work permit and permanent residency in Canada. Canada is also a democratic country, and they've been ruled by French and by English. So there are some French provinces and there are some English provinces. And people who intend to migrate mostly from French-speaking countries, like Francophone countries from Africa, it's pretty easy for them to get admissions in French teaching schools. And people who intend to go for education based on their English background, they can apply to the provinces where they have a medium of instruction as in English. The education system in Canada, they have vocational schools, they have universities, and they have polytechnic schools, and they have private colleges. And people who intend to get admissions in Canadian universities or education institutions, they will have to clear IELTS, and which is an exam conducted by UK, and you are required to have at least 6 bandwidth, 5.5 to 6 bandwidth. And once you have that, you can apply to any of these education institutions in Canada, and they also give admissions twice a year. And once you get an admission in any of these Canadian universities, they will first send you an acceptance form, and then after that you'll have to pay the fees for 1 semester, and you have to show that you are able and willing financially. And once you get accepted, once you pay the fees to these education institutions, you can go and apply for Canadian student visa. After you study for 1 year, if you study for 1 year, you get 1 year of a work permit. If you study for 2 years, if you do a master's degree, you get 2 years of work permit. And while working in Canada, you acquire a work experience, and based on your education in Canada, based on your work experience in Canada, under the federally skilled migration program, you can apply for a permanent residency. What is permanent residency, which is also known as a green card in America? Everybody understands that. And two, if you have PhD or postdoctorate, you can also apply for Canadian immigration. And the other thing is, people also can immigrate to Canada by investing money. If you're looking at $500,000 you can also apply under the business category. The other thing, what the Canadian Department of Labor comes every year is a list of shortlisted occupations. What is the meaning of shortlisted occupations? Every year they have certain jobs like hairdressers and IT professionals. There are different job positions they come up with. You can go onto their Department of Labor website, and every year they come up with different jobs. And if you are from those employment positions, you can apply for permanent residency applications. And they also have an express entry now, and you can apply. And once you satisfy the requirements of education, English speaking ability, your finances, and your work experience, you can apply. You can apply by yourself. You can also apply through your family, through your spouse. Sometimes many spouses, like husband, have more education, and sometimes wives have more education. Sometimes wife is more qualified. You can apply from any of those spouses, and you can also apply for your children. So once you go as a permanent resident in Canada, and Canada is also having free education for the kids, and they also have free medical insurance, and you can also sponsor your family later. For your family means your mom and dad or your immediate family, and based on that you can get your green cards and everything. And we also assist a lot of clients from all over the world, immigrating to Canada. And we also assist a lot of students in getting admissions in the universities. We also assist a lot of extraordinary ability people, and we also assist businessmen to immigrate to Canada. And we have offices in New York. If you want any information, you can send us your resume. We can assess and let you know that whether you're qualified or not. And in terms of students, we can also assist you guys in choosing the right university or institution as per your finances and your ability. We can also assist you guys for making application with the consulate, and we can also assist you guys in making permanent residency applications and naturalization applications. And if anybody is interested in just visiting Canada also, we assist you in making applications to the consulate for visitor visas also. And we have assisted a lot of extraordinary ability people also migrating to Canada. And if you want to reach us, please call us on our office numbers 212-532-1166, which is in New York. And you can also reach me on my email, which is srikaveti@hotmail.com, which is SRIKAVETI@hotmail.com. And we have offices in UK and US and India. And we also assist clients from all over the world in terms of visas, visitor visas to US, UK, Canada, and Europe also. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you soon.